With the Speedster, Auburn set out to boost the popularity of the company's entire line. It succeeded. Occasionally referred to as a baby Duesenberg, the Model 8100A Auburn, so named for its 8-cylinder engine producing 100 horsepower, is top tier in terms of design. Front-end highlights include automatic starting, shocks adjustable from the driver's seat, a cigar lighter, folding windshield, and full instrumentation on the dashboard. But the view from the rear is unmistakably iconic. The distinctive boat tail shape instantly turns heads. Our automobile is one of only 75 Speedster models built in 1932.